Hi there! Have you received a letter from ILIVS and wondered, what does this mean? Or maybe you're worried about driving your new car without insurance? Don't worry, we're here to help. In this quick video, we'll answer some of your top questions about ILIVS, including what it is, why you received that letter, and how to avoid costly penalties. If you got a letter from ILIVS, the Illinois Insurance Verification System, it means the state couldn't confirm that your vehicle has active insurance. This can happen if your insurance company hasn't updated your records, or if there was a recent lapse in your policy. Ignoring this letter could result in fines or suspension of your registration, so it's important to act fast. ILIVS is an electronic system that checks if every registered vehicle in Illinois has the required liability insurance. Insurance companies share data with the state to help verify coverage. It's all about ensuring that every driver on the road is properly insured, which protects everyone. If you're found out of compliance, you could face a $100 non-compliance fine. And if your license plates are suspended, there's an additional $100 reinstatement fee to get them back. Avoid these fees by maintaining active insurance and responding to any ILIVS notices immediately. If you've lost your letter from ILIVS and can't find your reference number, here's how you can find it. 1. Contact ILIVS. Contact ILIVS or the Illinois Secretary of State. They should have a record of your reference number and more helpful information. 2. Reach out to Insured ASAP. One of our registered agents can help find your reference number. Text us your VIN number or license plate number, and we'll do the rest. If you're dealing with ILIVS issues or need affordable insurance fast, contact us at Insured ASAP. We'll make sure you're compliant and back on the road in no time. Click the link below or give us a call today. Also, find a link in the description box below to make an online payment for your non-compliance fee. Thanks for watching and drive safely!